Today we are making one of my favorite southeastern dishes called Pilaff, and I'm so excited to show you how to get this done. Let's go. Here is what you need to make this great dish. This is goat meat with bones attached. You can make without bones if you want to, but I like because bones just release the flavor into rice. So there's 5 pounds of goat meat. I got 5 cups of rice, carrots, cumming, paprika, salt, oil, garlic, onion, and you can use, if you like a little bit heat, you can use some of the pepper. I make like a cubes, cut like this, and several pieces. Garlic, what you want to do, just cut this part off. And leave it. We want to wash rice, and then we're gonna soak it in the water. You want to wash this in a warm water. Don't do this in hot water. You want to take all the starches off of it. Get the 2 tablespoons of salt, put it in, and mix it, and leave it to soak it. This has to soak 40 minutes to an hour. We need to start the fire, and fire has to be high. This reason I have wood that's in different sizes. I got small ones when I need to make it high, and I got big ones when I need to just go slow. Fire. This will have some smoke gets inside of the dish, and it gets like smoky flavor too. We're gonna add some oil. You want high heat oil. Any oil that's a high heat doesn't have any flavor. That's what you would want to use. I'm using like deep fry oil. You pour it in there and bring oil into about 300 degrees. You want to put several pieces at a time. Don't just put whole meat, because it's going to be baking, or it's going to be boiling, but you want to fry it, not boil it. And so on until you fry all the meat. Now our meat is got seared, fried a little bit. It's not cooked, it's just fried. So we're gonna throw onion in there and start cooking on it. You don't want to cook too long, just get it nice and golden. Throw some cumin in there. We want to get this carrot soft. So when you do this, you can bring heat a little bit down. So we're going to bring heat down by closing this door. So once you have carrot bends like this, that means it's good. It's done. So here's next step. Mix this, and meat we made goes right back. Once our cumin's back, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and then mix this nicely. We're gonna boil some water, get it ready. Pour some water, boiling water. Just to cover it like this. You want to simmer this at least 45 minutes. 1 hour will be better. So we want that meat get tenderized and release all the flavor. That's gonna go inside the rice. See how that simmers? If you can see it, just very low. That's what you want. Now we got 15 minutes left. What we want to do, we're gonna add some jalapenos in there. You can also use red chili peppers, would be good. I like jalapeno, red chili peppers, I like it too. So you can add that and let it simmer. All right, let's add some rice, spread it nicely. We'll set garlic too. So now that when rice got cooked and soft, so what you want to do is bring all that to the middle like this and cover like that, and then put some paper towels around it to collect all the steam that be coming out. Cover with main lid and leave it for about 15 minutes to 20 minutes to get that. I'm excited to show you final results. Let's go. So that's the pilaf with the goat. That's what I got to me. So I got a little bit of salad, fresh. This is pickled tomatoes, pickles, and some beet salad, and this. So let's try how it turned out. Wow, this is good.
Let's give it a shot. Smoky. Fire.
My favorite dish, Dad.
The best.